So, should we start?
Yes.
A very good morning, all of you. On behalf of Rotary Club of Nagpur Ishanya, I welcome you all for this wonderful Family Sunday workshop on a very interesting topic, that is simplifying teenage. I request our President Rotarian Pritesh Chandak to give his opening remarks on the workshop.
Thank you, Kavita ma'am. I wish you everyone present here a wonderful Sunday morning. I'm sure you all can recall the memories of your high school days. Generally, it is considered as the best time of our life. But from parents' perspective, teenagers are quoted as an intense growth of time period, not only physically, but emotionally and intellectually. It is understandable that it's a time of confusion and upheaval for many families. Despite some adult different perception about teens, we should consider they are often energetic, thoughtful, and idealistic, with a deep interest in what's fair and right. So, although it can be a period of conflict between parents and kids, years are also a time to help kids to go into the distinct individuals they will become. And to enhance your knowledge, I welcome Dr. Sunita. Sunita ma'am, please.
Hi, good morning. A very warm welcome to all of you. And thank you very much to the President, Mr. Pritesh, and Charu, Dr. Charu, Dr. Kavita, and all the other fellow members and Rotarians. I am really privileged to be part of this Sunday morning, and thank you very much to wake up in the morning and come. I know it's difficult for teenagers to get up in the morning. Mine is still sleeping. So I really am happy that you all are here to have a talk. Before we start, I would just like to share some snippets in or maybe things how to do with it, how we are going to proceed in the session. So before that, this is going to be an interactive session. So once I would be interacting, whatever, if I ask some question or something, it will be a short form. In short form, you can write why, yes. I'll give you the short forms. You can put it in the chat window, and we will have a Q&A session at the end, so that whatever questions you have, we can complete that. And one more request is, kindly don't take screenshots or take बहुत सारे लोग ये सोचते हैं कि screenshot लेके मैं बाद में देख लूंगा या the slide is very good. This session is actually for you all to understand and let the ideas sink in inside you. So it's more important that you should be attentive and understand ki what is it in it for me. Okay. And initial session mein thoda, I would love you all to have pen paper with you all. If not, till I am preparing, I would request you to just run up and get pen and paper. Don't worry, bahut zyada exercise nahi hoga, but it's going to be fun. So I want you all to be just, ready with that, and give me a minute so that I can start the PowerPoint.
Before you start your presentation, I would just like to introduce our speaker so that all of us can know. So with these introductory opening remarks, I would welcome formally Dr. Smita and introduce her to you all. Dr. Smita is a consultant anesthesiologist by profession with over 19 years of working experience, and her passion of being a life coach, health and wellness consultant has landed her to be the India's first TeenWisdom.Inc. certified life coach, especially for teenaged girls. She has a knack for being teenagers' best friends, and she's always there for the teenagers. She has a passion and vision to make difference in every teenager's life. She's also authored a book, namely Simplifying Teenage. So it's really a pleasure to hear her today and be enlightened by her wisdom to make our challenges of simplifying teenage parents and other ways. So with these words, I invite Dr. Smita to the floor, and I request her to share her presentation and start with the workshop. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Kavita ma'am. I'm really honored for this introduction. So just give me a second. I'll just share the presentation with you. Is it visible?
Yes, it is visible.
Yeah, thank you. So, so we are here. This is my introduction, so I don't need to introduce myself again. So this is what we are going to start with. It's called as Simplifying Teenage. I will go into the depth of why it is called Simplifying. Initially, this is what we are going to do today. It's an introduction, maybe 10-15 minutes. We'll go in for the introduction because I need you to know who I am exactly and what is the meaning of a life coach and what happens. Then we will talk about why teenage is a new culture, and I try to understand what goes wrong and why you should simplify teenage. Is it important? And how to work together as a family to achieve this process. Okay. So that's around in the 45 minutes I work. I would urge if you could finish, whenever we do some interactive sessions, if you could finish your work very fast, then we can finish it before 45 minutes. Others will take time. So it's all up to you how fast you all will do things. Okay. So here I am first designation is I am a mother of a teenager. So trust me, if we have teenagers and parents sitting here, I know how you feel. I know what you're going through. I have been there and still going through that phase. So that's one thing. I am a consultant anesthesiologist and intensivist for the last 19 years. That's been my passion since childhood, that I wanted to be a doctor, and I am here and I'm working. I'm very happy with my passion. But now being teenagers, a coach for teenager is a passion because it started for my daughter, who went through the phases of teenage and didn't understand ki kya ho raha hai, kya nahi ho raha hai. So it helped me to work up with that. Okay, before I continue, मुझे सिर्फ एक चीज पूछना है, which language is comfortable? Can you just type in the chat window Hindi, English, mix, या only English, so I can continue with that. E for English, H for Hindi, and B for both. If you can put it. Okay, fine. It's both. Fine, great. So it became a passion for me because initially I understood that my daughter was going through phases and I thought, am I a bad mom? Am I the reason why things are going wrong? Is my parenting skill wrong, or is my child abnormal? Or is she, behaving weirdly because she wants to trouble me? All these questions were there. And then when I started reading a lot of books and started working on myself first to understand what's happening and then helping her to understand, that's how I became a go-to mom to a lot of her friends, because they too were going through these situations. And we started something called a Satine Club for girls specifically. So we have it every Saturday at 8 o'clock online. So anyone who's a teenager and a girl right from the age of 13 to 23, you can join in our teen club for free. It's a place where we meet, we chat, have fun. And slowly and steadily, because of my passion, I got certified as a life coach for teenagers. And I started my organization, Forever Magical Teens. The name of my organization is this because I believe each and every person, each and every teenager here is like a magical box of a magician. It just, you just come out and it's different every single day. So that's there. And I have launched my book yesterday. The book also is named as Simplifying Teenage. So I can proudly call myself as an author. And I will share about the book at the end of the presentation. So why a teen life coach? Because this is a big question. That is the reason I want to clear it for every parent and teenager. What happens when your teenager needs help in any of these subjects? What do? You normally go to a tuition class or a coaching class and they get enhanced support and help, right? That's what we do. We don't try to change everything for the teenager ki ye nahi chal raha hai to nahi hoga, or you are just doing it because you can't do it. No, right? So that's exactly what you do. But what happens when these issues start happening with your teenager? self-esteem issues, academic interest, lack of academic interest, academic performance नीचे जा रहा है, relationship में बहुत तनाव आ रही है, मतलब conflicts हो रहे हैं, झगड़े हो रहे हैं, the teenager doesn't like how they look at themselves, मतलब अपना खुद, they don't like themselves itself. मेरा चेहरा सही नहीं है, they go and sit in a cocoon or hide themselves in the room, don't want to talk to people, friendship issues, they have friends, they don't have friends, or they have good friends, bad friends, or fake friends, all kind of issues. ये सारी चीजें हम हमारे लेवल पे नहीं समझ पाते. I will come to the point why we can't understand right now as adults and parents what the teenagers today are going through, and that is where a life coach enters. This is what, as a life coach, I do, is giving that added support, a guidance, and being there for your teenager so that they become a healthy adult, and along with the parent and the family support, they can actually achieve their whole potential. So this is exactly what a life coach does, bridges the gap. This is not only, this is my specialty preferably, because I work towards enhancing and bridging the gap between parent and teenagers relationship, because I am a mother and I am a teen life coach. So I have experiences of both. So that's the thing. This is what the teenagers and the parents have told me, and that is why I'm quoting here, that I have empowered teenagers to stand up for themselves and double their self-confidence. I equip and guide them to increase their academic interest and then the performance. It's not, I don't help teenagers to get good grades. I am not a career counselor or a tuition teacher. I am a person who actually helps them to understand and work with different techniques of enhancing academic interest. मतलब interest होगा तो चीजें अच्छे से होती है, right? And I also provide a safe space for teens and parents, because whatever they share with me, I don't judge, and it is very high on confidentiality. So I don't share it with anyone else. And my specialty is to improve a teenager's relationship with their parents and strengthen the bond, because that is one bond which actually gets stretched. And many a times, the bond which is broken in teenage takes a long time to heal as an adult. So that's something which I work on so that I can work together. And this is my goal. I wish to empower 10,000 plus teenagers this year. And that is the reason I came up with my book, so that I can actually spread the message out and help them. So that's about my introduction, and that's about what why teenagers are important. And this is the program. This is how I take the teenager through a journey. I have a program called Simplifying Teenage Program, where I work on personalized level one-on-one coaching sessions. And this is exactly the phase in which you as a parent and you as a teenager should also work. Understand what teenage is, start taking small baby steps to enhance and improve, advance, and then you will be transformed into an adult. So remember, जैसे butterfly को, butterfly बनने के लिए caterpillar से butterfly बनने में बहुत pressure और ये चीजें झेलनी पड़ती है. That's exactly what is teenage. वो pressure, वो stress, sudden changes, और जब change आता है तो बहुत ज़्यादा pressure होता है, and that is the time you shouldn't give away. You should always remember that you have someone out there to care and help you. And this is one message I want to share in the beginning of the program itself to every teenager sitting here, every parent sitting here. अगर आप पे किसी ने भी भरोसा नहीं किया, I am there. Remember my name, Smita believes in you. ये एक इंसान का भरोसा आपके लिए काफी होना चाहिए. You can come to me, contact me anytime. I'll share the details later on. So this is the process of simplifying teenage which I follow. Okay, so you're on the first step right now. It's the know, understanding what is teenage and how to go about it. Okay. So are you all ready to begin? Give me a thumbs up in the chat window. Enough of my introductions. Now comes the learning part of it. थोड़ा सा notes लेना, क्योंकि ये थोड़ा monotonous हो सकता है. यहाँ पे I would love to have a conversation. So maybe you all could type in the chat window. Just type, give a thumbs up. Great. I'm just waiting for the others too. खाली एक ही thumbs up आया है मेरे को. Okay, thank you. So we begin. Okay, what is teenage? I call teenage as the birthday of imagination. It's a new culture. आपने कभी देखा है बच्चे होते हैं ना, तो बच्चों में we normally tell them कि बेटा जो मर्जी कर ले, दुनिया आपकी मुट्ठी में कर लो, whatever you think and perceive you can achieve. What changes when your child becomes a teenage? 13, 14, 15 साल की उम्र में आपका बच्चा उसी ट्रेंड को फॉलो करके क्रिएटिवली सोचता है, and then we tell them कि बेटा जितनी चादर उतने पैर पसारो, तुम्हारी कैपेबिलिटी इतनी है, तुम यही करो, या this is what will give you money, this is what is the trend out there. Why things change? आपका बच्चा आज भी वो इमेजिनेटिव प्रोसेस ही गो थ्रू कर रहा है. Guys, I all the teenagers will be, when I do these sessions and say this, many of them keep nudging their parents, Suna. So that's, don't do that. I am not only here to support you, but I want you to understand also, dear teenagers, that this is a two-way process. Okay. So first, ye aapki bari hai, so I am going to talk everything about what is teenage, and so that your parents and the adults can understand. Teenage is a new culture. The two themes that work with teenagers is independence and self-identity. So independence, ये उनका बहुत important चीज होता है, because they're trying to know. कितने parents है, just raise your hand or just put in Y in the chat window when your kid says कि मुझे ना बड़ा होना है, मुझे अकेले रहना है, अरे यार मुझे बहुत मतलब मेरे को घर छोड़ के जाना है. How many of the kids parents have done that or heard it from their kids saying it? So that's what I normally have. Yes, right. So self and identity is one, and independence is one, and self identity is one. They're trying to create their own identities. वो आपके जैसा same नहीं बनेंगे. Understand, your kid, it can become like your parent, you're like the mother and the father, or combined, and the entire family का culture उनके अंदर आ सकता है. So we can't just expect कि एक ही तरीके से बच्चा रहेगा, right? So this is the two underlying themes. इस theme को याद रखना कि हर teenager is looking out for independence and self-identity, and whatever they do is because of that. And it's a special point of development. They have an ability to harness exceptional strengths, unique vulnerabilities. They are very, they have a lot of feeling of self and ambitions. They're trying to figure out themselves. Character, personality भी बन रही है साथ में, and दुनिया को ना थोड़े अलग तरीके से देखते और सोचते हैं, because it's new for them and they are trying to explore. So that is why I call teenage as a birthday of imagination, because they're imagining and trying to work on it. It's a new culture. Now let's talk, being a doctor, थोड़ा सा बच्चों के दिमाग के बारे में. Teenagers' brain. Don't click the photos. All the photos are available on Google, so you can just take it from there. Please don't do that. Just remember this. I mean, few doctors are there, few who don't understand the brain. Don't try to understand everything. खाली एक pink वाला area जो दिख रहा है उसकी तरफ focus कीजिएगा. Frontal lobe जो हमारे सबसे ज़्यादा functions को matter करता है. Executive planning, organizing, problem solving. अगर कोई stress या problem आ जाता है उसको handle कैसे करना, emergency handling, behavior control, personality, ये सारी चीजें ये एक लोब हैंडल करता है. The challenge here is it is not developed in teenage. 0 to 10 years के एज तक हमारा 80% ब्रेन डेवलप हो जाता है, और 10 से 20 साल की उम्र में वो फ्रंटल लोब ही है जो पूरी तरह डेवलप नहीं होता है. After 20 it restarts. So imagine when you tell कि बच्चा, why can't you sit and plan? How many parents, just raise your hand if you've done this? Why can't you plan your own studies? Why can't you know that this is your exam? Why can't you plan your timings? Why can't you keep things clean? When you go to your friend, I tell you to call me back. How many of you have faced this? I have faced it many times. I tell my daughter, beta, pause ke call karna, and she forgets. It's not her problem. It's called prospective memory, which is still not developed in teenagers. Hum mein hai because we are adults. So this is one thing I want you all to remember, and इसकी detail मैंने मेरी किताब में बहुत अच्छे से लिखी है. So if you can check it out 100%. But इसके बाद वाला जो है ये ज़्यादा important दिमाग के लिए, आपके लिए check करने को. This is what is going inside your teenagers दिमाग. Don't go for that love lobe, because सबसे ज़्यादा वो love में चला जाता है और लोग बोलते हैं कि हाँ इनको ना romance और ये. No, please. Love is in general lack of love. Because parents stop understanding what they're going through, the society stops understanding, and they are asking for love. That is what they're not feeling. Okay? इतना कुछ चल रहा है. And I used to tell my daughter, बेटा क्या करना है आपको? खाना खाना है, पीना है, सोना है, उठना है, क्लास, कॉलेज, स्कूल, कॉलेज करना है. बाकी सब तो मम्मी पापा हैंडल कर रहे हैं ना. आपको कहाँ दूसरी चीजों का टेंशन? No, it's not that way. They have a lot of things going inside. And teenagers, but teens don't take this as a way of saying कि हमारे दिमाग में इतना सब कुछ चल रहा है तो हम पढ़ाई नहीं कर सकते. No, you can do everything, handle it if it is worked up together. I have a lot of teenagers who study very well and also play and follow their hobbies too. That's how we plan in our programs, one-on-one sessions. So what is the reason of changes? I'm going to run this off क्योंकि सबको पता है. सब लोग का एक पहला क्वेश्चन है कि हॉर्मोन्स. आई नो टीनेजर्स में हॉर्मोन्स शुरू हो गए और ये सब गया. गाइस, दी हॉर्मोन्स आर ऑलरेडी प्रेजेंट इन द ह्यूमन बॉडी. वो खाली थोड़ा सा एनहांस होता है प्यूबर्टी और टीनेज में, और टीनेजर का दिमाग भी उन हॉर्मोन्स को पहली बार देख रहा है. इसी वजह से वो स्पाइक में जाके ना अलग तरीके से बिहेव करते. Why this happens, all details are there in the book because it's going to be another session totally. 3-4 घंटे लगेंगे मुझे इसको समझाने के लिए. It's not going there. Another one is the brain circuit. In teenagers, because they are growing, there is an overabundance of neurons. लेकिन connective wiring नहीं बनी हुई है because frontal lobe is not yet connected to the entire lobe. तो कितने लोग हैं जिनको ऐसा लगता है कि मेरे बच्चे को सब कुछ आता है? Know it all. In the chat window, I want responses, please. Raise your hand, put something, thumbs up. Yes. How many of you all have heard teenagers saying कि हाँ मुझे आता है, I will do it, I know it, I have it, you know. I used to feel that why are these kids living so arrogantly कि सब कुछ पता है क्या? Trust me, उनको सब कुछ पता है, उनका knowledge है. They have read it, they know things. Pragati, you're saying no, I agree with it, but do you know, I mean, I will like to disagree. Basically you're saying, you know, technology हमारे बच्चों को हमसे ज्यादा आती है. They are way ahead of us being there. You know, some things, you know, हम अगर कुछ उनको बोले तो एक ही आंसर आता है, पता है. But they genuinely know it. They know it because उनका knowledge assimilation बहुत ज्यादा है. जितना हम लोग नॉलेज ले सकते हैं उससे ज्यादा वो लोग ले लेते हैं. बट द प्रॉब्लम इज उस नॉलेज का करना क्या है, उसका एक्सपीरियंस उनको हुआ नहीं है. सो इट्स लाइक, यू नो, आई हैव शोन द फोटो ऑफ अ ब्यूटीफुल फरारी. इट्स लाइक अ ब्रांड न्यू फरारी, मस्त चकाचक सब कुछ है उसके अंदर, फुल्ली रेडी टू गो. बट कहाँ जाना है, कैसे जाना, नहीं मालूम. That is the challenge with the teenagers, and because they don't know how to handle and use the information so much that collecting from Google, social media, everything else, इसी वजह से वो मूड स्विंग्स हो जाते हैं, इनएबिलिटी टू फोकस होता है, टेम्पटेशंस होते हैं, इंपल्सिव एक्शंस करते हैं, स्पॉन्टेनियसली गुस्सा हो जाएंगे, स्पॉन्टेनियसली कुछ भी कर देंगे. It's not their problem. It's basically the brain circuit working there. Remember, 20% अभी भी नहीं हुआ है. Then biggest problem, कितने बच्चे हैं जिनकी नींद नहीं होती? How many parents या जो भी teenagers यहाँ पे बोलो रात को जगते हैं? पेरेंट्स बोलते हैं जल्दी सो जाओ, सुबह जल्दी उठो. कितने बच्चे जिनकी आंख नहीं खुलती सुबह, कितनी भी कोशिश करे? इट्स नॉट देयर फॉल्ट. Yes, it is their fault now. I will come to that point, but to start with, it is because of their brain development. Melatonin करके एक हार्मोन होता है, which is a sleep hormone, जो teenagers के एज में 2 घंटे delayed release होता है. अडल्ट्स में 7 जल्दी रिलीज होता है, इस वजह से हम लोग 9 से 10 बजे तक हमको नींद आने लग जाती है. बट टीनेजर्स में नहीं होता, डिलेड होता है. तो उनको ना एटलीस्ट 11 बजे तक तो पीक रहता है, उनका जगे रहते हैं. एंड देन दे स्टार्ट स्लीपिंग अराउंड 2 or 3 o'clock. एंड फिर सुबह उठना इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड. आई यूज्ड टू गेट वेरी एंग्री एंड अपसेट विद माय डॉटर मेनी अ टाइम्स. मेरे अलावा मेरे घर में सब जल्दी उठते थे, सो उसको बेचारी को फ्री में डांट पड़ती थी. बट व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड रिसर्चिंग एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग थिंग्स better, I realized कि no, this is not her fault. But now the teenagers are facing chronic sleep deprivation not only because of melatonin. जब आप एक्टिव होते हो, जब आपको नींद नहीं आती, उस टाइम पे कोई किताब पढ़ लो, क्लास की रिविजन्स कर लो. दिस इज द टाइम व्हेन योर ब्रेन इज एट द हाईएस्ट सिचुएशन. तो उस टाइम पे आप किताबें पढ़ो, you know, revise. I have teenagers who revise their formulas in the night. But क्यों हो रहा है? Because you all are on the gadgets in the night. You all the teenagers are awake in the night. तो सब लोग अपना रात को चैटिंग करेंगे, वीडियोस देखेंगे. Don't spoil your eyes, guys. ये बहुत कीमती चीज है, ये गई ना तो प्रॉब्लम use it productively to do something new instead of watching or playing games. There I blame the teenagers to have chronic sleep deprivation. But अगर वो बच्चा ये नहीं कर रहा है तो then it's not their fault if they can't wake up. But हाँ, स्कूल की कमिटमेंट की वजह से आपको उठना ही है, so उठ जाइए. But I would request the parents to give them a chance to complete their sleep during weekends. That's what I have done with my daughter. She has all permission. Saturdays and Sundays वो अपनी मर्जी पे उठती है, कभी 2 बजे, कभी 3 बजे दोपहर को उठती है. कभी तो मैं हॉस्पिटल से केसेस करके आ जाती 4 बजे, तब तक वो सोई रहती है. बट व्हेन शी कंप्लीट्स हर स्लीप, उसकी कंसंट्रेशन और फोकस पूरे हफ्ते के लिए बहुत अच्छी होती है. सो आई वुड अर्ज यू टू डू दैट. ये ध्यान रखना, आपके छोटे बच्चे और आप अडल्ट से ज्यादा नींद टीनेजर्स को चाहिए होता है, बिकॉज सबसे ज्यादा ग्रोथ और डेवलपमेंट उनके अंदर हो रहा है. They are working to become a butterfly. So
Doctor, is it possible we can ask question in between, because you said we need to make this as an interactive session?
We will. I understand, but most of the answers you will get during the session. If not, you can ask at the end, because
Okay.
there is a lot. So if I pause continuously, we'll be sitting here for 2-3 hours. So
Okay.
I would really appreciate that we can come at the end. You can ask the session afterward if your questions are not answered by the presentation. Okay.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you so much.
Thank you. So going ahead, now coming to parent and teenagers bond. ये कैसा होता है? Do you all agree कि parent and teenagers का bond started when the day the child is born, right? Foundation, प्यार, okay? जब आप बहुत ज्यादा प्यार करते हैं, रिलेशनशिप आपकी अच्छी होती है, तो उनकी इमोशनल नीड्स फुल हो जाते हैं, तो उनका लव टैंक फुल होता है, तो आपका बच्चा इस तरीके से अच्छा एक अडल्ट बन जाता है. ओके, हैप्पी, ऑप्टिमिस्टिक, कंटेंटेड एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स, राइट? बट व्हाई डज इट चेंज? क्या आपने कभी इनमें से कुछ भी कहा है अपने बच्चों को? आई नो सम पीपल मे नॉट रेज देयर हैंड्स, बट से इट अपने आप पे दिल पे हाथ रख के बोल दीजिए कि इसमें से एक भी स्टेटमेंट आपने नहीं कहा है. किसी ने तो कोई तो स्टेटमेंट बोला होगा, बट इससे क्या हो रहा है कि indirectly the love tank of a teenager is reducing, because now for them identity is important. So they feel कि मेरे माँ बाप ही मुझे मेरे बारे में ये सब सोचते हैं, तो 100% वो मुझसे प्यार भी नहीं करते, and I'm going down, I'm not worth it. And that is why the teenager can end up having these things. ये आपके घर में होता होगा. I don't want you to raise hands, but this is there in every house. But extreme तक जाने से पहले you need to handle it. ये क्यों होता है? Parents, family, ये सारे लोग ना, they are very significant influencers in a child's life. आप 2 ही लोग हैं उनकी जिंदगी में जो बचपन से उनसे कहते आए कि हम आप पे बिलीव करते हैं, and suddenly the child feels the parents are uninvolved. So this is coming for the teenagers, guys. Your parents are not uninvolved. It is basically they can get busy with work, there may be fights happening, there will be financial challenges happening, they'll be confused. दूसरा बच्चा है, medical problems है, aging parents है, they are not uninvolved, they also have priorities, उनके भी career options है, उनको भी family responsibilities है, आपके future के बारे में उनको work करना है. So please don't take it that आपके parents आपके लिए कुछ कहते हैं तो they are not uninvolved. They care for you, that is why they're saying it. But what happens is, what does a teenager perceive it as? They are just, you know, कि हम involved नहीं हैं, तो they go to other people for help. They feel कि मेरे दोस्त, मेरे friends, मेरी मतलब social media पे जो लोग हैं, ये मेरे पे ज्यादा care करते हैं मेरे parents से ज्यादा. And that is why it can end up slowly and steadily, if not harnessed in between. In future, these things can happen. So take care of the warning signs. ये सारे लोगों में नहीं होता है, but it will be there. Okay. So कंप्यूटिंग की इमोशनल टाइम तो उनका लो हो रहा है बिकॉज उनको लगता है कि मम्मी पापा मुझसे प्यार नहीं करते. बट दीज थिंग्स हैपन, ओके, एंड ये आगे जाके ये प्रॉब्लम्स में हो सकते हैं. इट कैन बी स्टार्ट ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम्स दैट्स आइडेंटिटी क्राइसिस, अल्कोहल ड्रग की इंट्रोडक्शन हो जाती है, बुलिंग हो सकता है, डिप्रेशन हो सकता है, एक्सट्रीम सिचुएशन में सुइसाइडल टेंडेंसीज भी हो सकती हैं. बट इट्स अ स्टार्ट, इट विल एड अप एड अप एड अप एड अप. हो सकता है 13-14 साल में ये ना हो, बट 18, 19, 20 or maybe in your 40s, one rejection from office, one rejection from somewhere, they end up committing suicide. It's not because of an adult, it was right from the teenage age that happened. The personality was built that time, and in future ये चीजें भी शुरू हो जाती है, where we as doctors need to come into the picture for therapy and treatment. This can be prevented by two people: the parents who can understand this warning signs, take it in it, and then I come in picture as a teen life coach, where I work even before the problems have started. Even if it is started, we can help to reverse it, not take it to the other end. Okay, so that's how it is. This is the day-to-day problem and frustration that I hear from every teenager and every parent, and this is something which I hear. This is teenagers perspective, this is parents perspective. जितने लोग हैं, आई थिंक सब लोग हाथ खड़ा कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि ये हर एक के लाइफ में हुआ है. हाँ, आपके घर में टीनेजर नहीं है तो नहीं हुआ होगा, बट बाकी 101% टेकन फॉर ग्रांटेड, एवरीबॉडी हैज सेड दिस. बच्चे, पेरेंट्स के दिमाग में ये, बच्चे के दिमाग में ये. सो इट्स अ वेरी कॉमन थिंग. सो नाउ व्हाट टू डू, हाउ आर वी गोइंग टू वर्क विद इट? सो दिस इज अ बिग क्वेश्चन कि हम अपने बच्चों के फ्रेंड्स कैसे बन सकते हैं. यू कैन बी अ फ्रेंड, बट प्रॉब्लम यही होता है कि वो नई चीजें एक्सप्लोर करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. और बहुत बार मैं ना, yesterday I did my launch that they were saying, you know, one parent told me कि बच्चे हमेशा बोलते हैं मम्मी ना बार बार चिक चिक करती है, हर चीज पे बोलती रहती है, हर चीज पे टोकती रहती है. रीजन बीइंग, उनको नहीं अच्छा लगता कोई इंटरफियर करे, क्योंकि वो अपना ही खुद एक्सप्लोर करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. बट अंडरस्टैंड, आपको टोकते रहना है, बोलते रहना है, खाली टोन और लैंग्वेज थोड़ा चेंज करना है. दैट वी कैन वर्क ऑन लेटर ऑन. ठीक है. सो हाउ कैन यू डू इट? दिस इज द आंसर. यस, यू कैन बी. बट ये सबसे पहली वाली लाइन आपको याद रखनी, बाकी नहीं रखी तो भी चलेगा. यू बोथ हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड रिलेशनशिप इज अ टू वे प्रोसेस, और आप दोनों को मिलकर इस रिलेशनशिप को नर्चर करना और बिल्ड करना है. ओके, 101% इट हैज टू बी नर्चर्ड एंड बिल्ट लाइक दैट. ओके, उसके बिना नहीं. जब हमारी दोस्ती होती है, हमारे रिलेशन, हम बॉस रिलेशनशिप है या हमारा ऑफिस का है, फ्रेंड्स है, इनके साथ हम जाके रिलेशन बनाते हैं ना. हम लोग रोटरी में क्यों मिल रहे हैं? दोस्ती के लिए, मिलने के लिए, कुछ चीजें करने के लिए. दिस इज एग्जैक्टली हाउ वी शुड वर्क इन द हाउस ऑल्सो. वी डोंट टेक इट फॉर ग्रांटेड कि मेरा बच्चा है कहीं नहीं जाएगा, या मेरे माँ बाप है कहीं नहीं जाएंगे. ट्रस्ट मी, कोविड हैज चेंज्ड लाइफ फॉर एवरीवन. यू नेवर नो, 1 second one person is out. You never know when that person will never come in front of you. So be careful. The first relationship to nurture is your family relationship. It is a two-way process. बच्चों, आपको अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ मिलकर ये रिलेशनशिप को एनहांस करना है. Okay? So this is with the right attitude. You can actually be their best friend and guide, as well as know what is happening in their life. There will be no secrets and no passwords from your parents, from your teenagers to you, if they know that you have an open relationship and you're working here to help them. Otherwise, बहुत से बच्चे, हर बच्चे के सोशल मीडिया अकाउंट पे एक पासवर्ड होता है. They will not allow, or they have social media accounts where parents are not allowed to join. There are kids who are doing it. You have to watch कि आपके बच्चे क्यों कर रहे हैं. Okay? So this is how we are going to start. ये बहुत फास्ट रन थ्रू करने वाली है. प्लीज डोंट आस्क मी डिटेल्स अबाउट दिस. देयर इज अ बुक कॉल्ड पर्सनालिटी प्लस which is available on Amazon. You can go and click. There are 4 different personalities. One is a fun loving personality called a sanguine, a phlegmatic personality जो सब चीज के लिए हाँ बोल देता है, करने का नहीं करने का वो बाद में आता है, एक्शन टेकर नहीं होता. Choleric, very strong headed, very action taking, leadership qualities, lot of things. Melancholy, super perfectionist. तो आपको ये देखना है कि आप दोनों की पर्सनालिटी कैसी है. बच्चा फन लविंग है लेकिन माँ सुपर परफेक्शनिस्ट है. मेरे घर में वो प्रॉब्लम थी. सो आई यूज्ड टू गेट वेरी अपसेट कि यार ये सही क्यों नहीं कर रही है. See, Kavita ji is laughing there. I think she must be going through those phases. So you need to understand each other's personality. In my coaching program, I actually check out their personalities and help them to understand and work based on this personality. So that is first thing, know their personality. Second thing is know your emotional needs. आप दोनों एक दूसरे के से क्या चाहते हैं. बच्चा पॉजिटिव वर्ड्स चाहता है, लेकिन मम्मी पापा को मम्मी को उसको गले लगाना अच्छा लगता है, बच्चे को फिजिकल टच नहीं पसंद, गले लगाना नहीं अच्छा लगता, आप उसके बारे में अच्छा बोलिए, पॉजिटिव बोलिए, वो खुश रहेगा, वो सोचेगा कि मम्मी मुझसे प्यार करती है। कुछ बच्चों को गिफ्ट्स पसंद है, कुछ बच्चों को क्वालिटी टाइम। सो दिस इज ऑल्सो अ बुक कॉल्ड 5 लव लैंग्वेजेस which is there also on Amazon. You can pick it up. These are 2 books, Personality Plus and 5 Love Languages, which you can check and take it for yourself and work with it. Okay, बाकी चीजें मैंने अपनी किताब में डिटेल में लिखी है. These are like an entire seminar, so I will not be going into the details. Okay, so now I want you all to, that's over with my information part of it. अब हम workshop में जा रहे हैं, practicality में जा रहे हैं. So how to start building a stronger bond. So I already tried BIO, bring it on, because I want people who are energetic and ready to get it done. Because remember, this is the step that is going to build your bond. 3 चीजें मैं बताने वाली हूँ, ये अगर आप रोज करते हैं, you will surely enhance your bond, because it has transformed my life. So if you are ready, yes, एक ही जन ने बोला है, good, come on, cool. Remember, कुछ चीजें मैं बोलूंगी, it will be a reality check for you as parents, don't get offended. बहुत बड़ा reality check था मेरे लिए जब मैंने ये किया था. Let's begin. The first thing, this is a technique called unzip brain. Okay, कितने लोग हैं कि continuously frustration और irritation में रह रहे हैं आप लोग as parents, you're continuously thinking about your kids का क्या होगा, ये क्यों चल रहा है, वो क्यों चल रहा है, ऐसे क्यों चल रहा है, वो क्यों चल रहा है, all those things, it's there in your head. बहुत बार ऐसे लगता है सर इतना भारी हो गया, मैं थक गई हूँ, काम नहीं किया तो भी थकान लगती है, right? So this is a technique called as unzip brain. जब overload हो जाता है ना बैग आपका, तो आप zip open करो, ऐसे बाहर निकलता है. That's exactly what we are going to do right now. So get ready with your pen and paper, okay? And think, if you are a teenager, you're going to think and write. And if you are a parent, you're also going to think and write about this. What are those things that frustrate you, irritate you, make you angry, hurt you, or some things you hate or you are sad? I am going to give you exactly 1 minute. Your time starts now. शॉर्ट स्टेटमेंट्स लिखे तो भी चलेगा, स्टोरी लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. जस्ट कुछ इंसिडेंसेस आपके दिमाग को याद रहना चाहिए. जिनका हुआ हो, you can give me a thumbs up. Just write 10 things. Thumbs up in the chat window. Okay, done. We go to the next step. कितने लोगों का हो गया? Just give me a thumbs up. At least 5 तो लिख लिया. Just give me a thumbs up or just put yes or Y in the chat window. Okay. Whatever you have done. Now, think of 5 things your teenagers do to drive you crazy. Of these frustrations, उसमें से top 5 चीजें ढूंढो जो आपको लगता है आपके बच्चे आपका दिमाग खाते हैं. It's a consistent problem. इनको अंडरलाइन या सर्कल करो. एंड 5 चीजें ये भी लिखो कि आपका बच्चा आपसे क्या कहता है कि मम्मी पापा मत करो, आप मुझे पागल कर रहे हो, बार बार मत बोला करो. And it's same, the thing goes to teenagers. Write 5 things which you do to drive your parents crazy and 5 things that your parents do to drive you crazy. Another 1 minute for this. I think आपको सिर्फ circle करना है. So if it's over, let's just give me a thumbs up so we can proceed again. Okay, so your time's up. All done? Exam नहीं है. Just chill, just relax. जितना लिखा वहां पे stop करो सब लोग. I don't want anyone to write anymore. Now, just keep your paper at the side and this is what you're going to do. Okay? This is your next step. अगर आपका पेपर फाड़ा जा सकता है तो उसको फाड़ लीजिएगा and do this. Say I am sorry to your child and your parents. Dear children, say this to your parents. Say I am sorry for being frustrated and for all my bad behaviors. Say it, okay? And another one is ask for forgiveness. Okay, please forgive me for my reactions and forgive your teenagers. I forgive you for all your bad behaviors. अब 2 सेकंड के लिए आप लोग सब अनम्यूट करोगे. मुझे सुनना है आप ये कह रहे हो. आपका बच्चा पास में हो या ना हो, you are going to say, बेटा I am sorry and please forgive me and I forgive you.
Family.
अनम्यूट कीजिए और फटाफट बोलिए. फटाफट.
Yes.
I'm sorry, beta, for all the frustration and bad behavior. I'm sorry, beta.
जल्दी जल्दी और दिल से करना प्लीज. एक्सरसाइज तरह नहीं.
Thank you.
I'm sorry, Riya.
For all my reactions.
I'm sorry, bacha, for being very nagging.
I am sorry, and I forgive you from the bottom of my heart.
And
Please
ask them forgiveness. Very good. Now you can unmute and can you all go on mute? So this is your first step. सबसे पहले सारे frustrations जो भी कागज पे लिखा है उसको अभी के अभी फाड़ के फेंक दीजिए. Every frustration has disappeared by the sorry and forgiveness that you have asked for. Do it now. फाड़ के फेंक दो या अगर टाइम मिला तो जला देना बाद में. Okay? Fine. Now we go to the next step. What are the top 5 qualities? How are you going to describe your teenager or your teenager to someone else? Yeah, how are you going to describe your parents to someone else? So आपको 10 अच्छे qualities लिखने हैं and I'm going to give you only 30 seconds. Your time starts now. 10 good qualities of your teen, 10 good qualities of your parents. If you want, there is a reference, but I don't want to give you all the reference. I want it to come from your heart. Okay, done? Now the next step. उन 10 क्वालिटीज में से 5 क्वालिटीज को सर्कल कीजिए. 10 में से 5 को सर्कल कीजिए फटाफट. If you're done, just give me a thumbs up or a Y. Okay. So next step. पहले मुझे एक चीज बताइए. I just want one or two. You all want to. I just want you to tell which was difficult, writing the frustration or writing the good qualities. 1 for the writing the frustrations and 2 for writing the good qualities. Which was difficult or which was easy? Yeah,
Writing qualities was easy.
Good.
Good quality was easy.
Okay, fine. I'm really happy that you can actually enhance the good qualities, but if I talk to you in person, you will spend 1 hour talking bad about your child and tell me what's wrong with your child and what the child troubles you, because I have this with every parent in every parent intake. 1 घंटे में से 40 मिनट मुझे पेरेंट्स से यही सुनने को मिलता है कि बच्चे में क्या गलत है. एंड जब मैं ये 1 मिनट का एक्सरसाइज करती हूँ ना, फॉर यू राइट योर 10 क्वालिटीज ऑफ योर चाइल्ड, they need to think. I have only 3 to 7% of parents who actually write it like this. Otherwise, पूरा focus हमारा bad qualities और frustrations पे जाता है. Even if they say, you know, कि बच्चा अच्छा है, then लेकिन ये भी करता है. So this is a reality check for you all. ये 5 qualities जो आपने किए हैं, note down. आज के बाद से जो भी statement आप बोलोगे आपके बच्चे को, उसको इसी तरीके में बोलना है. Use that word, that quality का word. I've just given some examples. Don't take a screenshot of this, please. I have parents who have done it. Don't do it. It's your child. Your child is unique, right? You fill in the blanks there. When you say, na, बच्चा तो बहुत अच्छा है, I love you, that doesn't give any sense. It's a generalized statement. Why do you love your child? कौन सी ये चीज है जिसकी वजह से आपको आज बच्चा आपका अच्छा लगने लगा है? Yeah, why are you proud of your child? What quality of your child are you proud of? When you say, and bachche log, remember, say this to your parents also. Why do you say, why do you love your parents? Why do you respect your parents? Okay, this is your lesson number 2. This is step number 2. ये चीज हमेशा याद रखना. Whenever frustrated, whenever in doubt, go to step number 1. उसके बाद step number 2. Okay, we are done with that. Give me a thumbs up. Okay, so we come to the next step, gratitude. How many of y'all say thank you to your child every single day, minimum 10 to 20 times a day? Thank you for being my child. C is saying no. Thank you for, see, एक बार 2 बार हम हमेशा बोलते हैं, but दिन में 15 से 20 बार हम में से कोई नहीं बोलता कि thank you बेटा, आपने मुझे चूज किया, थैंक यू बेटा, आई एम ग्रेटफुल फॉर यू, राइट? रिमेंबर द पैंडेमिक हैज टॉट अस लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, एंड इस पैंडेमिक में बच्चे और टीनेजर्स, अ फैमिली नीड्स दिस मोर देन एनीथिंग एल्स, अ कनेक्शन, एक्सेप्टेंस एंड नर्चरिंग. नर्चरिंग इनवेरेबली पेरेंट्स के अंदर है, क्योंकि हम केयर करते हैं, बच्चे को ग्रो करने में हेल्प करते हैं, बट बिना कनेक्शन और एक्सेप्टेंस के नर्चरिंग कुछ काम का नहीं है. यू नीड टू कनेक्ट टू योर चाइल्ड. व्हेन यू आर टॉकिंग, ऑलवेज हैव आई कॉन्टैक्ट. Always look at each other and talk. Look into your child's eyes. You will never be able to get angry with your child. कभी गुस्सा नहीं आएगा बच्चे की आंखों में देखोगे तो. And the same thing is for children. आप जब अपनी मम्मी की आंखों में देखोगे ना आपको गुस्सा आएगा ना मम्मी को आएगा. Problem solved, झगड़े बंद. I have teenagers who've done this thing with me. You need to accept that they are individuals. Your child is a growing individual. बच्चा है ठीक है, लेकिन हक नहीं बनता कि हर चीज की, नो, इट्स लाइक मंदिर का घंटा है, बजा के जाओ, अपने घर की चीज है. नो, दे आर एन इंडिविजुअल. सॉरी फॉर द एनालॉजी, बट दिस इज हाउ आई हैव टोल्ड माई सेल्फ अ लॉन्ग टाइम अगो. शी इज अ पार्ट ऑफ मी, बट शी इज गोइंग टू बी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम मी, सो आई नीड टू एक्सेप्ट दैट थिंग फर्स्ट. तो एक्सेप्टेंस जब आ जाता है, उसके बाद कनेक्शन. एंड किड्स, टीनेजर्स, अंडरस्टैंड योर पेरेंट्स लव यू. Accept that fact. Go bottom of the heart, the only thing that they want is they want you to grow and take care of yourself and become someone whom you are proud of, not they. They are anyways proud of you in whatever situation you are. Ye yaad rakhna. I know teenagers will not understand this very much, but I will give this to you. So, next exercise. Write down things that you have liked about your child. This is for parents to write about your teenager, that ये time में, maybe ये हफ्ते में आपको आपके बच्चे ने क्या किया आपके साथ. It's the same thing for the kids. Teenagers also go ahead and write. What have you appreciated? What has made you smile? What gesture, what language, or what tone has moved you? You have felt loved. You have felt happy. कोई भी incident. Just write that. 30 seconds for it. just put ऐसा कुछ छोटा सा annotation डाला तो भी चलेगा. Don't write stories. Great, Harsha ji. Fine. So, done? Okay. Now take that paper in your hand and do this. Take that paper, read it loud. I don't want you to unmute it yourself. I want you to mute because I want it to be your own personal thing. Just say, I am so happy and grateful that you did this for me. I am so happy and grateful that you said this for me. Thank you. And I want the parents, not only the parents, I want the teenagers also to do it. Please. I want you all on screen. I can't see any teenager on the video. No one. Where is everyone? I think मेरे को teenagers के लिए what I have seen is if I do sessions with teenagers separate without parents, now I get a good response. But it's okay. Have you done that exercise? Pakka? Okay. Done. Give me just 1 or 2. Just give me a thumbs up. How are you feeling? If it is up, you're feeling good. Down, you're not feeling good. Doing the exercise. Okay, good. Remember this. So that's what we do. This is your 3 steps. It's a recap. ये गार्ड बांध के रख लो. आप इसको सिर्फ आपने लिख के रखना है कहीं. इसका स्क्रीनशॉट मत लेना. Unzip brain. The moment you're frustrated, the moment you're irritated, write it on paper. I have explained the technique of unzip brain in detail in my book. Then the step 2, write down the qualities of your teenagers which you have written, and then talk every single day. Think पहले कि मुझे कौन सी चीज को appreciate करना है, and then tell them कि बेटा आप ना बहुत अच्छे से चीजें करते हो. That is why your room is clean. Something like that. Okay, and every single day, दिन में 30 से 40 बार, 10 से 20 बार शुरू कर लो, या put a timer for 10 times to say thank you beta, I love you. Put a timer. जैसे water के लिए हम लोग timer लगाते हैं, number of water, amount of glasses we take. Just do it for it. And it's the same thing for kids. I have kids doing it as an exercise when I do it in my coaching sessions. They do it. They don't do it because I say it. They do it because they genuinely love, but they will not tell the parents that they're doing it. So don't expect that your kids are going to show it to you. Please, they have it. They will not show it. It's inside them. Okay. So we have finished with all the 3 steps, and that's how I proceed with the journey. So आपका no वाला journey शुरू हो चुका है. आपका begin का journey अब just start हुआ है. That's your first step. Advancing and transformation will happen over a period of time. And for teenagers, yes, I would love to have personal coaching sessions. If you want, we can go ahead with that, because I work not on working on your bad qualities. I work with strengths. I focus on strengths so that your weaknesses just disappear, and you work on your strength and design your own life. Okay, trust me, you will design your own life. That is how we work together. Okay, so just before closing, I would love to share something which is very close to my heart. It's a book which I launched yesterday. So if it is okay, if you give me permission, if you give a thumbs up, then only I'll reveal the book. Otherwise, I'll skip this slide. If you want to know about the book, because it's a book for every parent, every teenager, every person around there who genuinely wants to understand, because I have written it in 2 different perspectives, एक parents की और एक बच्चों की, so that बच्चे समझे parents क्या गुजर रहे हैं और parents समझे कि बच्चे क्या किस चीज से गुजर रहे हैं और क्या सोच रहे हैं. ओके, जो आप बोलते हैं वो आप सोच नहीं रहे हो. बहुत बार आपके दिमाग में कुछ और होता है, आप बोलते कुछ और है या आप दिखाते कुछ और है. Lot of things are different, and that is exactly I've tried to put in my own perspective. Everything is a true story, nothing copied. Everything is my journey and my way of how I have gone through all my processes with the teenagers. So thank you very much for giving me the permission to unreveal my book here. It's called as Simplifying Teenage. It's available on Notion Press and Amazon. And because it's a launch, I will be sharing a special discount coupon only for the Rotary team here, because मेरा discount coupon कल रात को ही खत्म हो गया था. It was for the launch. So I'm going to share a special coupon for only y'all. मैं end में आपको chat पे डाल दूंगी. Y'all can pick up the book and use it. These are the things that I have put up in the book. You can check it on my website. पूरा details website पे दिया हुआ है, क्या नहीं है, कैसे होने वाला है. But trust me, it's gonna be a guide कि छोटा सा कुछ problem आया, किताब उठाया, पढ़ लिया, उसका solution आपको उसमें मिलेगा. Because it is true stories. आपके मेरे सबके घर में होने वाली कहानियां हैं, और आपके मेरे जैसे ही बच्चे जिन्होंने किया है उनके घर की solutions हैं. So it will be something which is that's close to my heart. So that's there. So this is what I called as a simplified teenage. If your teenager is mentally strong, if you are part of designing their future, not you are part of designing their future, I said, not you are designing the future for them. They design it, you support them. They are super confident, they have friends, and there is a happy family around. This is what I call as simplifying teenage. And my definition, 3 चीजें आपको याद रखनी है simplifying teenage में. ये आपके, ये क्या बोलते हैं वो गूढ़ मंत्र या whatever they say it, you know, एक चीज जो आप गांठ मार के रख सकते हो अपने साथ में is this: believe, trust, and be grateful. Believe in your parents, believe in your teenagers. Trust, your teenagers trust you. They trust you blindly. मम्मी पापा ने बोला वो समझते हैं, but are you trusting your teenager? मेरे को मेरी कोच ने ना, she is the vice chancellor of DY Patil right now, Dr. Shilpa Sharma. She had told me once, you know, स्मिता अपनी परवरिश पे भरोसा रख. When I used to question ना कि मैम ये ऐसा होता है, ये कर रही है, ऐसे बिहेव कर रही है, चिटचिट करती है, ऐसा हो रहा है, सच में कुछ प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है, कुछ गड़बड़ ना हो जाए, you know, मैम दुनिया खराब है. So she had just told me this one statement. I live with that statement. Trust your teenager. अपनी परवरिश पे भरोसा रखो. आपका बच्चा बहुत अच्छा है. आपको वो बच्चा मिला है because you have, I mean, I believe this कि हर बच्चे के लिए उसके specific parents हैं, क्योंकि उसकी लाइफ में सबसे अच्छा होने के लिए यही 2 parents important थे. कोई और उसको और अच्छा नहीं बना सकते थे. The same thing goes for the teenagers also, for you parents also. ये बच्चा अगर आपकी लाइफ में आया है तो because you deserve that child. So it's a 2-way journey. So that's how I would like to end my presentation. I am on a mission of simplifying teenage for thousands of people around and for years to come. So I would urge you to, you know, be part of this journey for me. And thank you very much. Now we are open for questions.
I thank you, Dr. Smita. You have touched upon a very important issue for every parent and teenager. And we can take up some questions now. I request everyone to share their questions in the chat box or raise their hands so that we can speak.
Yeah, you can actually moderate. One of you can just moderate the questions to me so that there is no confusion when a lot of people are speaking. So
I think we already have a question from Rishita Shah in the chat box, which says that I have a question that every time I want to do a core willingly, and then my mom will come and tell me to do the same core, I will lose interest in doing it. Why is it so?
Because मम्मी की आवाज ना मंदिर का घंटा है बेटा. बहुत बार क्या होता है ना, घर के हम लोग we used to stay earlier in a place जहाँ पे हमारे घर के बगल में मंदिर का घंटा होता था. So it was more of, you know, Rishita, I hope you are a teenager who's asking this question because you said mom. So
Yes, I'm 13 years old.
Yeah, okay, beta. Can you come on the video? I can see you, or if it's okay with you, or you can just say, okay. So मंदिर में जब एक बार जाते हैं ना तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है, सुकून लगता है, आवाज सुनो, घंटी सुनो, पूजा आरती सब सही होता है. बट हमारे घर में बगल में मंदिर था गणपति जी का, एंड सुबह 5:30 बजे से रात को 12 बजे तक बजता रहता था. सो देन वी लॉस्ट इंटरेस्ट, यू नो, वी नेवर रिमेम्बर्ड कि वो घंटा है, बज रहा है कुछ, यू नो. हालांकि वो फीलिंग नहीं है कि वी डोंट लाइक गणपति जी और नथिंग लाइक दैट। तो मम्मी ना बचपन से बोलती आती है, तो क्या हो जाता है ना, थोड़े दिनों के बाद ना मम्मी की आवाज ना टेम्पररी शट डाउन होती है, मम्मी कुछ काम करने बोला तो शट डाउन होता है, तो मूड खराब हो जाता है। बेटा जस्ट सिंपल चीज करना, अ सिंपल एक्सरसाइज, इफ यू जेन्युइनली वांट टू हैव दिस, जस्ट से दिस। अगर मम्मा ने बोला ना करने के लिए, बोला ओके मम्मा थैंक यू आई लव यू, मैं कर दूंगी, दैट्स इट।
Hello.
Yeah. Yeah,
Hi,
Rishita.
I'm Mahi. I have a question to ask.
Yeah, Mani, just a second. I just wanted to, I was talking to Rishita. I hope Rishita is
Okay.
there. Just
Yes,
give me.
I'm still there.
Yeah, Rishita, have you got your answer?
Yes, I have.
Because this is what my daughter does. मेरे साथ बहुत बार करती है। बचपन में मैं उससे करती थी, आई लव यू बच्चा ये कर देना प्लीज, आई नो यू लव यू करके निकल लेती थी। तो शी इज यूजिंग द सेम टैक्टिक विद मी, शी इज एन 18-year-old, सो यू नो 13-14 साल से यूज कर रही है वो टैक्टिक मेरे साथ। शी विल लव मी, ओके मम्मा आई लव यू, आई विल डू इट, एंड देन अपनी मर्जी पे कर लेती है। See, if you love helping your mom to the doing the core, you can just go and tell her कि you know mama I will help you, it's okay, don't get irritated, because आप दोनों भी तो सेम थिंकिंग ही कर रहे हो ना। सो इट्स लाइक यू नो सेम पोल्स रिपेल ईच अदर हो गया, इसीलिए आप रिपेल कर रहे हो, बिकॉज आप दोनों भी एक ही चीज करना चाह रहे हो, राइट? सो यू कैन जस्ट डू दिस, यू नो, से थैंक यू एंड आई विल डू इट। इज दैट ओके Rishita? Have I answered?
Yeah, thank you.
Welcome. Okay Mahi, I can have your question now.
Yes. So at times when I'm trying to convince my parents basically to do something, but they have their own perspective for me to do something else. So
Okay.
it's not easy to convince them into doing what I want.
Yeah.
So how
Okay.
can I convince them?
Beta,
I mean, in what ways do I put my point forward?
okay, fine. I understand this is a common concern with many of the kiddos out there. First thing, you need to convince yourself. You cannot convince anybody without facts and figures. So I have already shared the techniques how to work nicely with with your parents in the book in detail. So you can, there are exercises which you can do in different situations. But to answer your question, because I don't want you to share what you are convincing your parents. That can be a personal question. You can contact me and we can talk about it. But बहुत बार आपको दोनों जगह के पर्सपेक्टिव से देखना है। तो आपके पेरेंट्स अगर आपके साथ बैठे हैं तो आई वुड लाइक टू टेल देम दिस ऑल्सो, कि आप उनको, आप अपने बच्चे के शूज में जाकर देखिए कि वो क्या फील कर रही है, क्या सोच रही है और क्यों सोच रही है एंड क्यों करना चाह रही है। एंड Mahi, you also have to go into your parents' shoes, become a parent and think, why is my parent saying this? Why are they thinking about it? What are they scaring? What are the things that are scaring them? What are the insecurities? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, because see, I can give you my personal example. My daughter is going to go to university next year. She's going abroad. For me, she's an only child and it's scary for me to send her abroad also. It took me almost a year. I thank COVID for that, because I got a year of time to understand, you know, yeah, it's a process to get my mental preparation. It's not that I don't want to, because I enrolled her to that school, to that university. I want her to go and do things, but there are a lot of insecurities as a parent that they think, because they care for you. Okay, so they need to feel the confidence that you are able to do it. And parents, remove that parent ka chashma and think of your child as an individual and work in that way कि आपका बच्चा capable है, and sit and have an amicable discussion. Don't put your points across कि मैंने बोला ना बस सुनना है, या बच्चा if you say this, you know, मैंने बोला है तो आपको सुनना है. Don't do that please. Okay, come to an amicable solution. बहुत अच्छे से चीजें handle हो जाती है अगर प्यार से शांति से बात किया करें तो. Okay, Mahi, I hope you have answered.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Okay, fine. So I have just my husband has shared the detail of my website. You can go and check the details of the website, and the coupon code is simple. It's Rotary. It's Rotary for the book, the coupon code, and for a discount, you will have to directly pick up the book from Notion Press, or if you go on my website, the first link that you get is that only. So on that, you can actually pick up the book, and on Notion Press, you will get the discounts. And if you have to put in the place of the coupon code Rotary डाल देना, आपको discount मिल जाएगा. ठीक है? But trust me, the discount is only valid till tonight, because वो time limit होता है coupon codes का. Okay? So any more questions? Someone had asked me during the session that they wanted to ask some question. I'm really sorry I didn't get your name, sir. Okay, there is one question. Chandak Instruments. I don't know who the name person is. Do you think it's social changes over hormonal changes that is bringing this turnaround? We as teenagers were quite disciplined. Okay, I understand this is a very common thing that goes around. Ki, we as teenagers, we used to listen to our parents, that kids did not. I agree with the point, but somewhere we have only given our children the freedom not to listen to us, because we try to become their friend, और हम लोग friend में बहुत बार discipline और friendship को mix कर जाते हैं. कुछ situations में आपको friend बनना है, लेकिन ये चीजें आपके बच्चों ने गांठ मार के रखना चाहिए कि आप चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, पहले आप उनके parent हो, उसके बाद ही आप उनके friend बनते हो. Situation wise आप friend बन रहे हो, and ये चीज आपको भी गांठ मार के रखना है कि आपका बच्चा आपका बेटा है या बेटी है, a friend बाद में बनता है. Okay, because I agree with you, sir. Whoever this person is, I really don't know your name. So it's basically
Meeta, Rohit Chandak, Rotarian Rohit Chandak.
Okay. Rohit ji, this is, yes, social media is playing, social changes are playing a big role, because we did not have Google, we did not have all those social media things to expose, but hormonal changes do play a part, because hormones, when they are not developed, when they are in their peak, and the brain development does play a part, because right decision making is controlled by those things. So wo changes ho jate hain, and that is the reason why the things are not, and they have a lot of things to question now. हमारे पास हमारे माँ बाप ने जो बोला वही आंसर था हमारे पास, और we used to read some newspapers or something. अभी सोशल मीडिया पे आप कोई भी टॉपिक डालो, गूगल भगवान इज ऑलरेडी रेडी. हर बिलीफ, हर वैल्यू, हर क्वेश्चन को क्रॉस क्वेश्चन करने वाली चीजें अवेलेबल है ऑनलाइन, and your child is exposed to all those things, so they are questioning your parenting also. It's not their fault, but yes, we need to amicably work on it, and these are the places where I as a life coach come into picture, because बहुत बार as a third party person ना, I am that occasional मंदिर का घंटी जो आप कभी कभार जाते हो, देखते हो, वो आप वही चीज बोल रहे हो, माँ बाप वही बोल रहे, मैं भी वही बोल रही हूँ, but I tell it in a different way and they remember and understand it. But as parents, they may not or understand. My daughter has her own life coach. I am not her life coach, because for her, she says, "Mama, you are always going to be my mama." So I cannot. There will be some things which I would not like to share, because I don't want to feel hurt. So that's how it works. I hope Rohit ji have answered your question. Harsha ji, you have a question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, boliye.
Ma'am, just initially in your talk, you have explained that let's kids sleep in their weekends, on their weekends, like they can complete their sleep cycle and all that. But won't it affect their biological clock in longer run or something like that? Because if we have some discipline in the schedule in the sleep. Like I have a habit of getting at 5 in the morning. So no matter what, if I'm sleeping at 12 o'clock or 2 o'clock also, my eyes get open at 5 o'clock. Automatic. So like that's what I was just wondering, how it
I understand, ma'am. I understand, Harsha ji, 100%. But as a kid, as a newborn baby, your child was not getting out at 2 o'clock. It was a process of evolution, right? You do not expect the child to tell na ki beta ye mera schedule hai, tumko 2 baje sokar bhi 6 baje utna hai. It's a process of evolution. Suniye. I understand. I am telling you something. Uski baad hum baat karte hain. Let me finish. Okay. Yeah. जैसे ओव्यूल्यूशन प्रोसेस होता है, नींद कम होती है. इज द सेम थिंग विद द हार्ट बीट ऑफ द चाइल्ड. व्हेन द चाइल्ड इज बोर्न, देयर आर डॉक्टर्स हियर, दे विल एग्री, हार्ट बीट बहुत हाई होता है, then it stabilizes and comes down to a normal heart rate. That's exactly what the evolution process of sleep is happening. The more they sleep, the more rejuvenation it happens. Ma'am, you are an adult. आपकी शेड्यूल बन जाती है. उनको 20-22 की उम्र का हो जाने तो अपने आप उनके शेड्यूल्स बन जाएंगे. And trust me, with the industry that's happening around, with the BPO and people working all online 24/7, I find no adult who's you're lucky enough to get up in the morning at 5. There are a lot of people and trust me, lack of sleep ends up into sleep deprivation, which is bad for their health. ये जो age है ना 20 से 13, 14 से 20-22 की उम्र का, is the process where they're actually taking a lot of things in. They're healing. The more they sleep, the more healing process happens, the more concentration happens. Lack of sleep will not allow them to focus. फिर आप बोलोगे कि बच्चा 10 मिनट भी फोकस नहीं करता, उठ के चला जाता है, और जो भी पढ़ता है एग्जाम में
Okay.
a good well sleep person शॉर्ट पीरियड में वो काम कर जाता है जो आप 12 घंटे उससे करवा रहे हो, वो 2 घंटे में जो काम कर सकता है वो आप 12 घंटे करवाओगे उससे, बिकॉज ऑफ द शेड्यूल. आई हैव डन इट. मेरे घर पे my husband, my daughter, my in-laws, everyone are used to get up at 4 and 5 in the morning. I am the only person who has always been like that because my parents have trained me like that. Trust me, I am saying it because every weekend I used to myself, my parents allowed me to sleep till 11, 12 in the afternoon, Saturday, Sundays, both. I have always been like that. So that is why I always supported, लेकिन मुझे बहुत opposition आया हुआ है for the schedules. But once I showed them the valid research that was behind with the brain development, the hormones, then things are better for my daughter. So I would say it's a process, ma'am. आपका बच्चा अपने आप चीजें मैनेज करेगा, आपको देख रहा है. If you keep following the schedules, you don't break it. You keep following the schedules, it will happen 100%. Okay, because my daughter, when she had to go to college, usko subah before time pahunchna tha college, she used to get up at 4 in the morning, work out for 2 hours because she's a dancer, she works out, she did that, then she went to college and came back and slept. तो उसका 4 दिन वो कर रही थी, and then 2 days we used to, I never allowed her to wake up. The entire हफ्ते का sleep तो at least हम cover up कर सकते हैं ना उसके वजह से. It's a way out. Otherwise, you will have to tell the schools to start school at 10 o'clock. So they complete the sleep every day.
Right.
Okay.
Thank you.
Any more questions? Okay, Rishabh ji, on the book, on my website, जो मेरा website shared है ना, www.drsmitadipankar.com, उस पे there is an option called as inquiry call. You can click on the call and I will get an email and I can talk to her. I give a complimentary 15 minutes free call to every parent and child who wants to talk to me. So we can go ahead with that. Okay. And trust me, I don't take every child for life coaching. I first decide whether the child genuinely needs life coaching or the parents are okay for them to take care of the child or they need therapy. So I choose my clients. I don't take all the kids. So we can just talk. Rishabh ji, is that fine?
Yes, ma'am, that's perfectly all right. And
Okay.
it was her call. She actually messaged me saying, do you have her number? So I said, let me put it up on records here, and she's hearing us all. It makes it a little more easy.
Okay.
for her also.
No, she can just click because I normally, my way of working is I look into the eyes of the teenager, I look on their face and then I talk. I don't make a phone pay, I can understand what they're thinking and saying. So I have a Zoom call session with everyone.
Perfect.
That's the way I work.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Thank
Any
you.
more questions? I hope I have answered all your questions. If not, you can book a call with me. It's a free call from my website. I will just share the website details are already there, but I will still share it again for you so that you can book a free call. Just click on my website, inquiry call या contact us पे जाके आप मेरे साथ call book कर सकते हैं. It is an the call gets booked.
Please, could you throw some light on how
Yes.
sons have a relationship with the father? And then we'll
Wonderful question, Ketan ji, because this is something which I have always been so much wonderful question that you have, because I have seen mothers being fathers was to have his father around, and that's the time when you should be around with your sons, and you can have personal me time with your children. If you have both, if you have two sons, तो अलग अलग आप अपना मतलब it's like more on going on a bro date, you know, they call it bro nowadays, you know, ऐसा कि अकेले चले जाओ, have fun, do things that you like, and trust me, वो करते करते ना वो बातों बातों में आपसे चीजें शेयर करने लगेगा, and that is how you can work with your relationship, because otherwise father son relationship just goes away. And this is one more thing I tell fathers. Parents complain me बच्चे पूरा time online games खेलते हैं. I have told this to fathers. You know, as boys, you also played games. Why don't you join your kids and play those online games with them? That's your time to bond with them. Trust me, I have 2-3 fathers who have actually done it, and they have a better bond with their sons because they are now on the same wavelength. Because game खेलते खेलते ना, it's not the game, it's more of the conversation that happens. और बातों बातों में बहुत ऐसी चीजें share हो जाती है एक दूसरे के साथ. You don't realize कि अच्छा, this is what my child is actually feeling from inside. So that's, I hope Ketan ji, I have answered your question. Any more queries, you can read my book. उसमें भी मैंने mention किया है.
Okay, so thanks a lot, Dr. Smita, for all your lovely answers. And
Yes,
wonderful
one
discussion.
second, Kavita ji. I
Yeah,
think Ketan ji has written something.
Okay.
Ketan ji, don't want your child to be something. Neither the mother, neither the father. They are going to take qualities from you. They are going to take qualities from their mother and you both. And it's going to be a unique person that your child has done. Okay, fine. So it's more of, fathers are not strict because you care and you're not able to express your feelings. You talk in a tone because you have been shown as the stricter person in the family, because mummy ko sab cheez papa ke naam se khapana hota hai. Mere ghar mein ulta case hai. I am the stricter person, my husband is not. So don't worry, behave, you use your own qualities, your child, your wife has her qualities, your child will be a combination of both of you. Okay, and Arnav, I will talk to your dad about it. Okay, thank you very much. I think the questions are over, and I'm really happy and grateful that you all had me on this platform. A very, very special thank you to Charu for inviting me and thinking that I would give some perspective here. And Pritesh ji, Kavita ji, everyone part of it. Thank you very much.
Charu ma'am, it's a time for vote of thanks.
Vote of thanks, yeah. Dr.
Thank you, Dr. Smita and Dr. Dipankar. Both of them are very dear friends, and a wonderful, Smita, listening to you as a life coach. Such practical tips you have given for mothers, father, and the kids, you know, that we all need to be together and enjoy life. We go out in Rotary for fellowship, you have told us that, and even for service projects. But why can't we adjust with our family members and treat them, you know, come, have this, we'll have a good time. I really take very few points that you have gathered here. It's the happy time with the family that we should share always and understand each other's feelings and go to that level and talk to them, you know, so they don't feel lonely, they don't feel sad. Even if they have failures, they tell you first instead of telling anybody else. So I think we must learn a lot from your book also and from you also. Simplifying teenage, and teenage are magical. And I really loved Teenage Wisdom. Smita, thanks a lot from bottom of my heart, you know, for coming and sharing your beautiful books, your concept about teenage and bridging the gap between the teenage and the parents, you know, because parenting as such is not difficult. It is your language, tone, your personality that has to be matched with each other, and it becomes simplified by your book also. And I thank my all Rotary family who joined here, and being Ganesh Chaturthi, Visarjan Day also, everybody made it a point to listen to you, and I was a bit worried. And I thank all my board members. I thank CC Chair. I thank Sharat Tauri. I thank our public image, Rushabh. I thank First Lady Harsha Chandak, my President Pritesh Chandak, my dear friend Kavita Gandhi, a wonderful MOC, As I've introduced her, she works at NEERI. She's a scientist and she's a doctor. Very lovely. At one phone call, she agreed. All my Rotarian families will avail your book. Thank you all very much. I would just make some few club announcement in 2 minutes. We have the event on 26th of September, a Garba night. We are going to have a pre-workshop on Garba. Everybody is invited for the Garba workshop, which we are going to do at PSS. Is practice session, and then we have the finale on 26th September at North Star, Koradi Road. We will be sharing all the detailed information and brochures tonight in the evening or coming morning. We have birthday today of Rotarian Manjushri Naveen Chandak. Wish you many, many happy returns of the day. Rotarian Dinesh Rathi. We have birthday, yesterday we had birthday of Rotarian Manoj Rathi. 17 September, Rotarian Dr. Deepshikha Parag Lashkare. Rotarian Jaya Ramesh Mantri. 18th, we had birthday of Rotarian Tejendra Singh Gandhi. 26 September, we are having birthday of Rotarian Pooja Rathi. 23rd, Rotarian Satish Doshi. 24th September. All, thank you once again to each and every one. And thank you, Smita, very much.
Thank you. Thank you very much.